Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys password remove setting, how to remove lock screen password in Tecno mobile. Friends, you don't want to use Tecno mobile lock screen password, you want to delete, you want to remove lock screen password. So then how to remove one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone security setting. After phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone screen lock setting. Enter your device password, and friends you have pattern lock, so enter pattern lock or draw pattern and enter password. Next. So when your screen lock setting will unlock, and when select your password type, you want to change password, so select password type, and you don't want to use password, so friends click a swipe option and remove none option, you can select. And friends, you don't want to use slide lock also, swipe lock also, so you can remove swipe lock, click here first option none option and remove. And friends, you have face lock, fingerprint lock. So friends, after remove, after delete screen lock, face lock and fingerprint lock will remove automatic. You cannot use face lock, you cannot use fingerprint lock. Off your screen, and friends you can on your screen direct without swipe lock also. And friends, you want to use swipe lock setting, so friends you can set swipe lock and you can unlock your mobile with swipe lock. Click a swipe option off your screen and you can unlock your device with swipe lock. So like that friends, we can remove lock screen password in Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.